Good morning. Welcome back.
So, hey, folks, we walking, quarantining. Our quarantine ends today or yesterday, I'm not sure. So,
Today is our last day.
it ends today.
Yes.
No, it ends
14 days.
yesterday.
Today's 14th day.
Whatever, it ends day for them. So, we're on the street side. As you can see, it's quiet. It's Saturday morning, it's the Sabbath. And 7 days really big in Jamaica here. But apart from that, it's quarantining, man. Look, it's peaceful, You see the bush, you can see the grass. It's just nice. Past animals, birds, fruit trees. You see all them coconut trees behind us? Let's see the coconut trees, baby. It's, turn it around. You can turn it around with us. Yeah. So, yep, walking up the street, we get into Great Valley. We're gonna do another video when we get to Great Valley. Look at the street. Show you what Great Valley is like when we get there. But
Quarantine wasn't so bad. We were able to take walks, get a lot of rest, eat good.
well, thank God that we have a lot of land to walk in.
That's true.
Acres of land.
We weren't stuck in the house.
We get our own food, own water, everything. We don't have to leave. Get everything.
So, babe,
So
what's
we
our
in the-
plans coming off of quarantine?
We're in the countryside, so we're not in the city yet. So we're gonna head to Kingston sometime this week. Then we're gonna head to Ochi. We're gonna do Falmouth. We're gonna do some beaching too. But for right now, we just gotta follow the rules, obey the law, and respect the country. And try to come in here and be like you above the law, like you some Karen or some Becky. Tell locals how to live their life, and how you want to do what you want to do, and infect the whole nation. So respect other people's country, rules and laws. All right? Yeah, man.
And just so you know, we do have our masks. We're just
Yeah.
not around people right now.
It's in my pocket. So we are like it's just nobody in the streets. Everybody work long, and that's the thing I love about Jamaica and most Caribbean countries. Most people work Monday to Friday. Barely few works on the weekends. We go grocery shopping and church and stuff like that on the weekends. So the streets are empty. Not like in America where Saturday and Sunday is where all these business places open and people don't get a goddamn chance to break. Just work like a freaking horse. But here people actually takes a break on the weekends.
Yep.
And try for their families, have fun. But quarantine is over. Let a mercy. Let a mercy.
Y'all, they wouldn't
Time
even
to have some fun time now.
let us in the bank until our 14 days are over.
Come here, baby, come here. Show you the trucks driving up the hill. So, all these places
You're here.
coming around. You see bushes, see all them houses back the other side. So you see, way over there. There's one right here. Oh, can we see the one way over there? Can I see that one? No, it's not gonna show us that there. But yeah, we are. There's one nice house over here. We do have some nice houses over here. Where am I at? Can I see it? Why can I not? Oh yeah. It leads up to that hill right there. Cars passing by. So I'm walking by. Oh yeah. So my brother and John always come to this house right here. Come up here after work. They just come here like every damn day. So we are walking the countryside.
I like this house.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice that Roger's sister. I think her name is Dimpers, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
That's a nice style. We need a bigger garage.
She's talking about that house up there.
We need more garage space.
Well, I don't need no damn garage. A car can stay outside. This is Jamaica.
No.
You can
We're
put.
not going to be here all the time.
Well, a car go park somebody's house.
I'll come over here and buy my Range Rover and these be in the garage.
You can do whatever the hell you want to do. Yeah, nice.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. Good. Yo, I'm gonna set up one day for that work there. All right. Come video, man. This is Roger I was just talking about your house on the video, man. Nice, man. She said she like it, but she just want car garage. Me tell her, I don't need no garage in Jamaica. She said she want a garage. Me tell her, I don't need no garage in Jamaica. You have one? Oh, really?
Yeah, I said bigger garage.
Oh, bigger. I didn't even notice that. Wow. Yes, man. So which day good for you? Good morning. One day next week? All right, man. So maybe you will talk about it then, man. All right? Respect, man. Baby, come look at these plants. Are you planting them here? You keep them going? God damn. Man. Boy, you say everything, man. You're farmer, this, that, everything. That's Roger, man. Yes. Are you planting the grass too, right? Yeah. Jesus Christ, Roger. You do everything, man. Baby, you ever feel the grass?
Yeah.
Carpet grass. It's soft and nice. Yo, this grass just feel like a woman boob. Soft. Don't slap me.
You could have come up with something else.
That's the closest thing I could get with, man.
Was it easy to put this down? The carpet grass?
Just stick it on the wet side and spread.
And it's as I
Spread
told
on
her.
its own?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's keep it water, check on it. And it keep doing a lot of weeds too, you know?
Yeah.
Very good, man. Very good, man. Yeah, man, we're going to make our next walk, all right? So maybe we'll talk, man, all right? Respect, Roger. Yeah, baby, it's nice house, man. Nice. I like everything about it, man. The color too. You see? Oh, okay. So you call it? Yeah, I never knew that. Bamboo color. Oh, nice to know. Did you get that? And the white match it to you. So now they win. What you call the rooftop, Roger? Because it's not zinc. What you call it? Oh, okay. Baby, hear that? Decoration tile. Okay. So you see the roof now, it's not the zinc, it's a different, wow. I thought I see everybody doing this. Look beautiful, man. It make nice when the inside not like the zinc. Even perfect, man. Even perfect. Wow. Yeah, man. Thanks, man. I tell you, man, it's a beauty. So that's the new roofing they're using now. Yeah, man.
So can we do part that and part rooftop terrace?
So we at Cass's
So I can
house.
sit on top of the roof?
My cousin Cass. Huh? Say what, baby?
I said, can we do part that and part rooftop terrace? So I can
Whatever,
sit on the
baby,
roof?
you know, you decide. Whatever you decide. Okay.
Because
Good
the
morning,
ocean's
how are
right
you? You good? What school do you go to? Huh? Jamerican High. Where's that at? Magotty. That's in St. Elizabeth, right? Why you choose to go to St. Elizabeth and not Manchester High? She don't like Manchester, folks. We're going to expel her from Manchester. Did you go to Broughton School too? No? Oh my God. Which high school, which primary school you go? Yeah, I don't know that one. How you doing? All right. You good, babe? So you look at the bell peppers, right? They're not so big. So we about to end this video, and then we're gonna do another one when we get to Great Valley. Okay, so it's just walking, quarantining, and our quarantine is up. I'm sorry, it was up. So I just want to make pass my friend Roger.
Planning our exploration.
This is my grandma's best friend, one of my grandmother's best friend. They go to church together, know each other for years. All right. So we're gonna end this video now. We're gonna start another one pretty soon. Okay. All right, guys. Baby, how you stop your phone?